It's with a heavy heart, I'll say, that we got to learn through tragic experiences sometimes, maybe what we can do better.
The St. Joseph Police Department mourning the loss of one of their own with the passing of Officer Kyle Graham last week.
He was dedicated to this profession. He was dedicated to the people that he served out there.
Officer Graham's death, a suicide, something so challenging for everyone to understand and to begin to cope with. But it sheds light on continued work of helping officers with their mental health.
I will tell you that it's difficult for officers sometimes to get outside of that shell, to feel comfortable talking to people about what they're experiencing on a daily basis.
SJPD leaders wanting to improve that, giving officers a chance to talk about their struggles and their well-being, because not so long ago, mental health wasn't as important as the physical health. Data from First Help, an organization working to reduce mental health stigma for first responders, reports an average of 184 law enforcement suicides happen every year across the country.
We educate our officers that it's okay not to be okay. I will tell you that with the change in leadership that we've experienced in the last year on this department, I've heard that multiple times from our leader. He made it very clear that his greatest concern is the well-being of our officers, their mental state, where they're at.
Law enforcement officers know they're putting their life on the line every day because they take risks that many would never dream of doing. Officers don't know what's behind a door or in a vehicle they're approaching, just like we don't know what's going on inside someone else's head.
We lead with love, and if we do that, then we are preparing our officers to go out there and do the same thing on the street, and that's what our communities need, is people that are going to be leaders in the community with love to accomplish the goal that we're trying to do.
No one knows the toll the job takes on each individual, physically, mentally, or spiritually. But the SJPD doing what they can to help a family mourning right now, and also by leading their officers by making sure to let them know they're human and that's okay.
We understand that the superhuman, bulletproof police officer does not exist. And as a matter of fact, to think that it did is damaging to us to be able to go out there and do our job on a daily basis. And I see that in our department. I see us accepting that mindset, and that's growth.
Chris Roush, KQ2 News.